Hi, Chris Straub here, Straub Technologies, and we're going to talk about sensors. You can find all these sensors on our website at straubtechnologies.com in our LS catalog. And COVID did a lot of things, changed a lot of things in this industry, many industries and stuff. So you remember when you couldn't get anything, OEs were scrambling for parts and everything else and stuff. Well, the old cam sensor in the LS was beige, looked like this, and it worked great. But at some point in time, something changed. And during COVID, you had OE scrambling for different suppliers and everything else and stuff. Well, and things have changed. And those of you know that you've had failed sensors, if you use an aftermarket ECU units and stuff, it may not work with some of these sensors and stuff. Well, at Straub Technologies, these are the original OE suppliers for all these sensors. And this was post-COVID when these people were making parts for stuff. So this is our cam sensor. It's blue. It's got our part number laser etched on this. This will work with any aftermarket ECU and you won't have any issues because this is old school quality and this is new school post-COVID stuff. So if you've been having sensor issues or anything like that, check out our website on our LS page. We have a complete sensor kit. If you're an engine shop and you're doing a bunch of LSs or LTs and you need sensors and stuff, you can buy that kit, replenish those kit. We're very price competitive on this thing. And again, they may not be made in the US because the US or the supplier might have been overseas, but it is the original OE supplier pre-COVID, not post-COVID. So you can trust Straub Technologies when it comes to these sensors. If you need anything, go to straubtechnologies.com, look on the LS page, and we got a complete listing of all the sensors in the catalog on there, and you can place your order. Remember, at Straub Technologies, we don't build engines, we build combinations.